Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You open D&D Beyond and start a campaign hub right away. Create the campaign and invite players. Once done, import any purchased adventures or set a homebrew rule set so everyone uses the same baseline. Make sure to build core folders, adventures, NPC, maps, handouts, so you can pull assets fast during play. This first setup saves time at the table. It keeps everything discoverable and prevents mid-session searching that kills momentum. Now focus on encounter and NPC construction. Open the encounter builder and configure CR, monster count, and terrain or environmental effects. As you assemble each NPC, add concise bios, initiative modifiers, and equipped loot so you can run scenes fluidly. Once populated, link monsters, spells, and treasure directly to the campaign so players can click rules during play. This detailed middle step reduces rule arguments and speeds adjudication. You run sessions using the combat tracker and actively update HP, conditions, and initiative to maintain clarity. Make sure to share maps with reveal tools or dynamic lighting so exploration feels cinematic. Reveal only what players have discovered. After play, export loot and notes into your campaign folder for continuity. If something breaks, like missing assets or sync errors, clear your browser cache, test the change in a private campaign, and toggle Homebrew off to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.